Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is chocolate brownies with homemade chocolates. These chocolates we are going to make, you can eat as it is or you can use in these brownies. Take 1.5 tablespoons of milk powder and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now give a nice mix. Mix this and keep this ready. Next we are going to use double boiling method. Just pour some water in a bowl, bring it to a boil and lower the flame. Place another bowl and make sure it does not touch the water. Now put some 3 tablespoons of butter into this. Let the butter melt. The butter has melted completely. Now add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Just give a nice mix, don't overcook this. Now add some few drops of vanilla essence to this. Mix this well and add our cocoa powder and milk powder mix. Within 2 to 3 minutes this will get thick, so after it gets thick, switch off the flame and transfer this into the molds. This will set within an hour and refrigerating this will make this process quick. This is after an hour and this has perfectly set. You can take it out of the mold. Our homemade chocolates are ready and you can preserve this as it is. This will be very yummy. We are going to use these chocolates in our brownies. All we need is a cup of chopped chocolates. Chocolate making is over. Next we'll move on and do our brownie. Take 1/4 cup of melted butter. To this add half a cup of sugar. Give a nice mix. Crack open 2 eggs into this and give a nice beat. After beating the eggs well, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give a nice mix. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give a nice mix to form a smooth batter. Our batter is ready. It's time to add our chopped homemade chocolates. This is 1 cup of homemade chocolates chopped. Give a nice mix. Our brownie mix is over. Next, let us grease the cake tin and transfer the batter into it. By the time you can preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C. This is a preheated oven and we are going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can also bake this in a pressure cooker without whistle, and if you want you can use sand or salt. Bake for around 45 minutes in low flame. Now our brownie is ready. Brownies are meant to be served hot, so you don't want to let this cool. This will be so yummy when you serve it hot with a scoop of ice cream. Our brownies are ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. We'll join in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.